Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you Serena by Ellen Wille from the Modix collection in the color Bahama Beige shaded. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is Camilla by Ellen Wille from the Stimulate collection in Pearl Blonde Rooted. And I have an unboxing of this one as well on my channel, so if you're interested in that, go and have a look. But today is about Serena. I haven't even peeked, so let's have a look. I think I know it's one of those long wavy ones in Bahama Beige shaded, which I think is a beautiful blonde color. Yeah, let's have a look. Oh, it's pretty. I think I can tell already. Oh yes, look at this. I like these kind of waves that look like you put them in like a day or two ago and they're just now, you know, just a bit there now. I love those. So let's have a look at the cap construction. Right. So we have an extended lace front. So it gives you that really natural hairline from ear to ear. So when you want to pull back your hair, it looks like the hair is growing straight out of your head there as well. And you have a mono crown. It's a bigger mono crown than I've seen before. And permatease wise, maybe just a tad around here, but I normally feel that when I have it on. But just look again at these waves. I think they're really pretty. So let me take off Camilla and let me put on Serena. Right, let me shake her first. She has been in the box for a bit, so I just want to release the fibers a little bit so they don't clump to the cap. And if they don't clamp to the cap, they move more naturally. So that will then get rid of that kind of wiggy look that you might get if you don't shake them or if you don't release them from the cap. There are other ways of doing it. You can just rake your hands through it once you have it on. Oh, what a pretty piece. So you can just do that, which I do as well. So you just rake your hands through it, get really there into the cap, release the fibers that way. Really pretty. Right. Because you don't really have a mono part, you can basically still part it wherever you like. It doesn't really matter. But because the lace front is quite deep, so it gives you the illusion of a part anyway, which is great. So let me just carefully run my hands through it. And you might want to use a comb as well. I would probably suggest a wide tooth comb. Such a pretty style. Right. Without doing any more, let me just show it to you from all sides. So this is straight out of the box. As you've seen, I only just raked my hands through it. I didn't comb it or brush it. Really pretty piece. So these are also high heat fibers. They feel quite dry in comparison to the high heat fibers I had here on Camilla. These feel a little bit more dry. These feel really quite soft. Just a note that for you to know. But this is really pretty. So let me show you the lace front. Yeah, I think the lace front is really well done. So as I said, you don't have a mono part, you have that mono crown. It's not my favorite feature, but I like that the lace front is quite deep, so you have that illusion of apart up till about here. Right, permatease wise. It's not big and poofy. I can feel just like covering the wefts. There might be a little bit of a poofy feeling just here. But yeah, just there I would say, just about here. Just a little bit of a slightly more poofy feeling. I wouldn't say it's big, pillowy. It's just, you can feel there's something there. But otherwise it's just a smidgen around the cap. But look at this really gorgeous wave pattern. Right up my street, this wave pattern. And then you have a little bit of layers here at the front. I like to push it out of my face like so, show off that lace front. And you can just do that, and that kind of redirects the knots to where you want them to go without applying any heat. It's not a permanent fix, but it will do for time being, and now it's out of my face. I think this is pretty. This is a really pretty style. The attackable. Here you can see some layers. Just slight layering, really pretty. Yeah, I love this. This is gorgeous. So tell me what you think of Serena. I put the link to this piece down below, and with my code K20 you will get 20% off. Great saving. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon.